Meet the Nespresso Essenza Mini D30, the ultimate combination of simplicity, style, and performance in a space-saving design. With its ultra-compact build, measuring just 900 millimeters by 205 millimeters by 330 millimeters, this machine fits seamlessly into any kitchen, office, or even your travel setup. But don't let its size fool you. The Essenza Mini packs a powerful 19-bar high-pressure pump, delivering rich, full-bodied espresso with every brew. From a smooth, classic espresso to a longer, indulgent lungo, 2 programmable cup sizes let you customize your perfect coffee moment. Fast mornings? No problem. With a 30-second heat-up time, you're just moments away from a cafe-quality espresso. With a removable 20.3-ounce water tank and a capsule container holding up to 6 used pods, it's designed for convenience without the clutter. Nespresso Essenza Mini D30, small in size, big on flavor. Order now from TelQuest International.